Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on Motorola Moto G23. And to do this you'll need to open the Google Play Store. Inside, try to find Firefox. Select it and click on the install. When it's ready, hit the open, allow to send notifications and customize your browser by changing different theme, picking up your toolbar placement, signing in to turn on synchronization, switch between privacy protection settings and read the privacy notice. Finally, let's click on start browsing and open a new website. As you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.